This is a guide on how to install the flush mount LED pod light in the all-new Ford F-150 and Super Duty. Remove your stock fog lights and directly replace them with the flush mount LED pod lights. The installation can be done with the fog bezel intact. Make sure the curved part of the U-bracket is pointing towards the bottom. Slide the L-shaped metal bracket piece through the U-bracket and lock it over the plastic tab. We've done some daily driving and off-road driving to test how secure this mounting method is. See for yourself how the LED pod lights hold up in our drop test. Inspired by a customer's DIY process, this installation is made simpler and costs less, so the savings are passed down to you. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and follow our social media channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.